guys, welcome back to my channel. Yay. After I've been gone for 3 years ish, I know I made a video last year saying I was going to start posting again, but college is not easy. It's not. So right now, I'm still in college and I'm still busy as usual, or busier than I used to be. It's like each semester I get busier, but I just feel like I need like a safe space or like a distraction, not a distraction basically, but just like, like a safe haven for myself. Like when I'm overwhelmed with school and life and other stuff, I just need a place, like a comfort zone. Then I remembered you did YouTube and that was your safe space. That used to be your safe space. So anyways, I'm here again and hopefully I'm going to stay this time around. So yeah, I don't really have much to say right now except for I dyed my hair and I posted on my Instagram, and some people want me to come back to posting my hair stuff. So I was thinking, okay, I can just use this as an opportunity to post my hair and also talk about other things. I'm thinking of maybe talking about college experience or experiences, or like vlogs on campus. I'm not really a vlogging type of person. I get shy when I'm outside with my camera, so I don't know how that's gonna work. And finally, I was thinking of posting, because I've over the 3 years I've been off YouTube, I've had the opportunity to travel to 2 different countries. So I made videos, they weren't really for YouTube. So I'm thinking of just making a collage or something and posting them as something. And maybe moving forward, if I travel, I'm gonna make the right type of video for YouTube, if that makes sense. Last but not least, I already have a video of my hair when I was dyeing it, and the process. It's just a 1-minute video, and I already made the video. I think I just need to make an outro for the video and post it. So I'm going to get that done. Hopefully, I won't say by next week, because by the time you guys see this video, it's probably gonna be a different week, but I'll get it done. Like after this video is up, I'm going to post that video, and also trying to make some hair content. Like when I take down my twist, I'm going to wash my hair, because someone asked for my wash day routine. So I'm going to wash my hair and record. Also try to, because I'm planning to put my hair in passion twist, so I'm trying to think of contents to do with my hair before I actually put it in a protective style. So that way, after that, I have enough content, enough natural hair content, and then while it's in protective style, I can also make protective style content, and we can work from there, if that makes sense. But yeah, that's the updates. Am I welcome back? But yeah, that's the update. This is what my hair is looking like right now. My hair is grown, but it could have been longer. But we'll talk about that in a different video. We'll talk about that. I'm also thinking of just talking about life. Let me know if you guys are interested in all this I'm saying. I'm thinking of talking about life generally, talking about some setbacks my hair already had, multiple setbacks. What else? Maybe some cooking videos. I cook often, but not often. It just depends on my mood. But I don't know. I'm just thinking of not limiting myself to just hair videos, so that way it's not just my content is not just for a specific group of people. I just want it to be as diverse as I can make it as possible. And it's not like I'm doing things I wouldn't normally do. These are things I do on a daily basis. So I was just thinking, why not just post that? Why not just post those instead of just hair content? So that way, like, there's diversity and stuff on the channel. But just my three main ones are hair, travel, and probably lifestyle. So yeah. Anyways, so guys, follow me on Instagram at Twa Nation, TWA_Nation, and on TikTok at Twa Nation, TWANATION. It's in the beginning of the video, and I'll also post it at the end of the video. But anyways, see you later, guys. Bye.